I'm Luke, I'm one of the sales engineers here at Advanced Engineering. Today I'm going to be talking about our unique three-stage process to combat microbial growth forming on the coils and also to stop smelly air conditioning units. As you can see here, I've taken off the cover to this air conditioning split unit. This evaporator coil is quite dirty, hasn't been cleaned in quite some time, and as a result of that there will be microbial growth and microbes on the coil and inside the coil too. The root cause of smelly air conditioning units is bacteria growth. Interestingly, the human body sheds between 3,000 and 2 million skin cells per minute, and attached to those skin cells is between 2 and 4 microorganisms. Now they can be transported into the air conditioning system where it's dark, damp, moist, and these conditions are typical conditions for bacteria to grow. Now bacteria, whilst in those conditions, will secrete a jelly called exopolysaccharide that will protect them from environmental threats. When dealing with any sort of chemical, you need to wear the appropriate PPE. Today I've got my safety goggles and a pair of gloves. Now I want to talk about the three-stage process: clean, kill and protect. Now the first stage is to unblock the drain with a heavy-duty drain unblocker called Drain Clean One Shot. Now Drain Clean One Shot is thicker than water and it will seep underneath the condensate and start attacking all of the jelly or exopolysaccharide so it can go down the drain and give the drain its first treatment. Now as you can see here, Drain Clean One Shot comes in 250 milliliter, also has a unique swan neck so you can access condensate trays in hard to reach areas. Now this air conditioning unit isn't hard to reach, but for demonstration purposes, all I do is stick the swan neck into the condensate tray and apply the product by gently squeezing the bottle, and product will come out as I go along the ridge of the condensate tray. Make sure that you covered all of the condensate. Allow that to sit for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how dirty or affected it is with exopolysaccharide. Drain Clean comes in two different formats. As you can see here, there's a 250 milliliter bottle with the swan neck and also a 5 litre tub. Now these products are ready to use so that no mixing of water is involved. Step 2 is to clean and kill the bacteria that is formed and baked on to the coil. Now we do that with a product that has disinfectant in it. We have three different types of products. We have an RTU based disinfectant, we have an aerosol, Easy Care, and we also have a 5 litre tub called Condenside, which has QX60 in it, which will kill 99.9% of bacteria in 60 seconds or less. But for today, I'm just going to use RTU because it is pre-mixed, I don't have to worry about it. And what you do is you start from left to right, or if you're left-handed, right to left, whatever you prefer. Start at the top and slowly work your way down the coil, and what that will do is that the chemical and the disinfectant will run down the coil into the condensate tray, giving the condensate tray a second treatment. That will then go through the pump into the drain and give the drain its second treatment. As you can see, it's important to wear safety specs. There is a lot of splashback happening, so I'm protecting my eyes whilst spraying the coil. Ready to use is a lot safer to use as it is pre-mixed, and also it has a nice trigger head where you can control the flow of liquid or chemical going into the coil. We also have Easy Care, which has disinfectant in it too. It has a strong spray pressure which will allow the product to be penetrated deep into the coil, and it's fast and convenient too. Also we have Condenside, which comes in a 5 litre tub. The dilution rate is 1 part product to 4 parts water. You'll also get 25 litres out of this 5 litre tub, so it's very economical and safe to use. Now I want to finish off by talking about step 3, which is to protect the system. What we want to protect is the coil and condensate tray and the drain from exopolysaccharide forming again, and to stop bacteria growing. We have two different methods of applying the product to protect the system from exopolysaccharide forming again. We have Stay Clean mini tablets, which last up to a month and will give the condensate trays a month's worth of protection. We also have the Stay Clean strips that come in two different sizes. We have size 1 and size 2, all depends how big the condensate trays are, and that will give 6 months worth of protection. For demonstration purposes, I have a Stakely mini tablet, which is roughly the size of a 5p piece. And what we're going to do, we're going to slip that into the condensate tray, and when the condensate runs past the tablet, it will release a slow releasing biocide which will kill the bacteria upon impact before it goes back down the drain. As you can see here, slip that into the condensate tray. I've purposely positioned it towards the end of the tray because the pump is here and the condensate will run past the strip and will constantly be treating the condensate tray as it flows down into the tank. All of the products featured and shown in this video have been approved and certified by all the leading pump manufacturers. It's also important to note that we work closely with them, and all our chemicals and all those products that I've shown today won't affect any warranties on their pumps. Those pump manufacturers are Aspen, Blue Diamond, Sauermann, Hydron and Sikon. Thank you for watching this video today. If you'd like any more information on any of the products featured in this video, or any other tools and chemicals and lubricants that we provide, please visit us at www.advancedengineering.co.uk, or for any competitions and updates, please follow us on Twitter @AdvanceUK.